Welcome back to One Two Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your NYCERS account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar type in NYCERS login. Once you press enter, you should see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then you'll be taken to this page. On this page, you'll have to provide your login infos. So go ahead and enter your username. After that, enter your password. And if you don't remember your username or your password, you can click on this link to recover it. And if you are new to NYCERS, you can click on this register button to register for a new account. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials. Then click on the login button and you'll be logged into your account. And if you want to download the MyNYCERS app, you can click on this link for an iPhone or click on this for Android. Once you click on the link, you'll be able to download the MyNYCERS app. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.